Navy carrot, orange, long and sweet, dancing happy on tiny feet. Carrot, tomato red, round and small, rolling and giggling, don't let it fall. Veggies, veggies, come and play, make us strong in every way. Crunch and munch, hip hooray, healthy friends for every day. Broccoli green looks like a tree, waving its hands, come dance with me. Eggplant purple, shiny and tall, bouncing around, not shy at all. Veggies, veggies, come and play, make us strong in every way. Crunch and munch, hip hooray, healthy friends for every day. And a corn so yellow, lime so neat, singing softly, I taste sweet. Potato round, brown and shy, peeking out when kids walk by. On the onion crying, don't be sad, you're the best soup ever had. Ladyfinger, okra, slim and green, jumping high, what a scene. Sweet potato joins the fun, under the bright and shiny sun. Our veggie friends, hip hooray, let's stay healthy every day.